The Read and Write extension needs to be installed in the Chrome browser. When activated, it provides a toolbar across the top of the Google Doc you're working on. You can see that toolbar here in the document, and you can see it up here at the top of my document. There are many assistive technology features in Read and Write. We will focus on text-to-speech. Place the cursor at the beginning of the text you want to read. Press the play button in the toolbar, the triangle pointing to the right. And to pause, click the parallel bars next to the triangle. That's this one. And to stop, you click on the square. Now, I just had that read for me, but because I'm using the microphone to do this screen capture, you did not hear it being read back, but it did get read back. And to go look at that, on the far right of the toolbar are 3 dots here. You'll left click and select Settings in the drop-down menu. And then under the Speech tab here, I can choose from various voices to be read back to me. And I can also choose the speed to change the cadence I'm comfortable with to help me understand it. In revision and editing, selecting a section of text at a time and having the computer read it back to you provides an opportunity to listen and think about, does this say what I want it to say? Does this make sense? Do I need to rephrase this to make it clearer? Is information missing? Is there a run-on sentence? When we reread things back to ourselves, we often read what is supposed to be there rather than the actual text. Having the computer read it back allows us to really listen and think about what we have written.